Hi, this is my contest entry for Little Miss Clay. So I have this octopus, hot chocolate with whipped cream, and toast in the toaster, Jira Kuma, cinnamon, this pudding, orange juice box, lemon, strawberry, melon, and grape. You said you like it Green Day, so I made this Billy Joe chibi. And this heart grenade. These two that go together with this one, so these two count as one. And you also said you like it Shugokara, so I made the eggs from Shugokara. And these three count as 1, 2. Cookies, monkey. This is supposed to be Rachel from Glee. Stitch, a crayon box, and a ketchup bottle. So I hope you like my entry, and good luck to everyone. Bye.